Hi everybody, I'm Esteban Sepulveda and today I'm going to talk about one of the theories about language acquisition. Well, this theory is called emergentism. Let's give a brief description about it. Language acquisition is the process by which humans acquire the capacity to perceive and comprehend language, as well as to produce and use words and sentences to communicate. This process is maintained during the first years of age, especially with regard to the acquisition of language, forms and content. The first years constitute the fundamental period, although the development of the language extends well beyond the first 5 years, of course. There is currently no universally accepted theory of language acquisition, and in this video I will give you a small explanation about one of them. To contextualize the topic, it is really necessary to name some of the theories on language development. One of the earliest theories about this topic is the nativism from Noam Chomsky. He argues that the children are born with a system of innate linguistic option, and it is the context that determines which are activated and which are not. Then we have the behaviorism from Skinner. Skinner argued that children learn language based on behaviorism reinforcement principles by associating words with meanings. Correct utterance are positively reinforced when the child realizes that the communicative value of words and phrases. We have also cognitive theory from Piaget. For Piaget, the development of intelligence begins from birth, before the child speaks. So the child learns to speak as his cognitive development reaches the desired concrete level. It is thought that makes possible language, which means that the human being at birth does not have a language, but gradually acquires it as part of cognitive development. In other words, the person constructs the knowledge through the continuous interaction with the environment. The emergentism, emergentism is a cognitive process that emerges from the interaction of biological pressures and the environment. According to this theory, neither nature or nurture alone is sufficient to trigger language learning. Both of these influences must work together in order to allow children to acquire a language. The development of the language will be proportional to the amount of stimulation given, that is to say, depending on the quality and quantity of language input, we will obtain a greater and faster acquisition of the language output. The result of this process are the word learning and grammar acquisition. However, finding a solid answer to the problem of language acquisition is far from being over. Our current understanding of the development process is still immature. But there is one thing clear, guys, that the language acquisition is a more complex process than many of us believe.